He's shy. He's shy.
Hey, you feel me? The dogs in this bitch. Look at this bitch just riding this nigga right here. Let me.
Drawing this shit.
Hey, didn't you say you're gonna pay 30 bucks?
Hey, it's like making love. It's like you gotta make love to him. You like him like that. That's the point.
You have to get to know him last time.
You have a girlfriend or something.
No, I single since like yesterday.
Hey, what's all this talking going on? Your own friend is saying
No, she knows what I'm gonna cheer her on. Go, Michelle.
Go, Michelle!
Like at the legs, bitch. Like at the legs.
Like at the look!
Like at the legs.
Hey, grab those legs, though. Grab those legs.
Yeah, hold your legs.
If you know what's good for you, hold those legs. Hold those legs. Hold those legs. Hold those legs, nigga.
Go, Jesse!
Go, Michelle.
Jesse, move with it! Jesse,
Go,
move with
Jess.
it! Oh, I got something in my mouth! Careful,
Go,
dog! She's like texting me and shit, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get down.
My legs set.
Oh, I got your legs.
You got your legs? What the hell? What the hell's his legs? How's your legs?
Go, Michelle.
Hey,